Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. So, today, as you can see, here's Melvin. Melvin, the poor pig, has been through so many different ways of saving. So what I ended up doing is I've been putting in 20s and I've been rolling the dice and throwing money in it. And today what we are going to do is roll the dice. And Melvin is going to get 4. So let me count and see how much we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. We got 41 to work with, so Mr. Melvin is getting 4 right off the bat. So let's stuff him in there. So Mr. Melvin is done. So as you can see, I have a bunch of mini savings challenges here. All of these came from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Company. I do have other people's challenges that I'm going to be working on, but I'm trying to declutter a little bit of these savings challenges that I've accumulated over the years, and we're going to get started. Each one of these envelopes, I'm not for sure. I think they all may have the same amount. I'm really not sure. They may be more, maybe less. But what I'm going to do is roll the dice. This is envelope 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are going to put these ones in here. Each one of these will be going into the sinking funds binder, the debt binder, and probably household and coffee and stuff like that, utilities. I'll just take one and stick it somewhere. So we're going to get started, and we'll start with 6, 1, 3, 6. I hope everybody has had a great weekend. Tomorrow is Monday. Everybody calls it the dreaded work day. Oh, it's a 4. Okay, you all saw it. I didn't know if y'all saw it or if it rolled off camera. 2. Well, everybody's getting some love today. It is starting to warm up. We've had all different kinds of seasons the last few days. We have had cold weather. I mean, like below 0 weather. Yep. We have had a little bit of warming up weather. We have had sunshine. We have had rain. We have had snow. The snow is just now melting off. Oh, so I'm looking forward to spring. I'm trying to get some money saved up to start getting the plastic on my greenhouse. I've already started my indoor plants. I got my peppers, my tomatoes, peppers and tomatoes. I got 2 types of tomato seeds started, and I've got my red bell peppers started. So I got to get the plastic for the greenhouse, like I said. I got to get lumber for the wood to get the chicken coop started so I can get my chickens, which should be coming up soon. So we got a lot to do. We just got to come up with the money to do it. And that's the reason why I've buckled down and actually quit spending on stupid stuff, as I call it. I've just been buckling down, y'all. So that's it for that. Let's see how much each one of these gets. I'm going to start down here with number 6. So Like I said, these have no rhyme or reason. I don't know where they'll go. I may just pick an envelope and start putting it in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me grab. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so spring is coming soon. Thank goodness daylight savings time is coming up also. This darkness just, I like a lot of sunlight. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So, are you guys getting excited for spring to come? I know I am. Get this stuff started. Get the warm weather, the sunshine. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been having a lot of, this cold weather makes my bones hurt, y'all, and I've been hurting a lot lately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just like trying to get this video done, and my back is killing me. Let's see what we got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, we almost completed this one, but that's just the way it goes. Like I said, I've still got a lot of other little minis that I've got to get rid of, you know, to finish, put away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got that taken care of. You believe it's almost the end of February already. I can't believe it. So I'm going to put these little minis in my butterfly binder. And this will be like my little mini savings challenges to put wherever I need to. I think what I'll do is just sit down and write out a little list of 6 and where I want to put them. And then when these are finished, that's where I will put them. So, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. It's a short video, but I appreciate y'all being here. And remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.